There are many products available to choose car seat gap filler, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car seat gap filler from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Car Seat Gap Filler Premium PU Full Leather Seat. This pick by Onuda will not only keep your phone from dropping into the deep cavern of your seat gap, but it will also keep it within safe reach, even when it's plugged in to charge. Yes, there are 2 clever USB ports right on top, which get their charging power thanks to an included cord hidden underneath the unit that plugs into your car's cigarette lighter. There's also a handy coin box to drop loose change into, and inside the rectangular pocket, you'll find a slim slot designed for keeping credit cards or business cards from getting lost. It comes in either black or beige and is made of plastic. The bottom portion, however, is lined with soft foam, which will help prevent it from slipping and sliding when you press on the brakes. You'll only get 1 container with each purchase, but it can be used on either the passenger or driver side. Per the manufacturer, it's suitable for gaps that measure between 0.5 to 1 inch. Number 2. Leather Car Seat Gap Filler Universal for Car. For a more versatile option, reach for the Innovar Design Car Seat Gap Filler. It comes with a cup holder that fits most small cups and cans, so you have the option there when you need it. You'll get 2 units and Velcro strips to help lock the organizers in place after installation. It's made of black PU leather that is sleek enough to match most interiors, but for an even more fun option, you can also get these fillers in bright red. This is the priciest pick on this list, but inside the box, you'll find some bonus car accessories like 4 car hooks that you can use to hand things like grocery bags and purses behind your headrest. Keep in mind that for the optimal fit of the filler, the manufacturer has outlined 2 key requirements. The center console should be higher than seat level, and there should not be a handbrake directly next to the seat. Otherwise, you may only be able to use 1 container on the other side. Number 3. Lusso Gear Car Seat Gap Filler. Feel like you never have enough secure slots in your car? The Lusso Gear Gap Organizer is here to fix that. It's made of faux leather and will slide snugly into the gap of your seats. Use the slim pockets to keep all of your smallest items, loose change, charger cords, sunglasses, you name it. Each pack comes with 2 organizers, and you can pick between 5 neutral colors. The faux leather material is water resistant and will easily wipe clean. This pick is universally sized, though the manufacturer recommends that the gap in your car be between 0.9 and 2 inches for the most optimal fit, but it will still work for 0.5 inches of space too. To install, you'll simply slide it straight down between your seat and the console. If you find there's any extra room, you can use any of the included 4 foam wedges as spacers on the sizes of the organizer to adjust the snugness or to create compartments within the pockets. Number 4. Drop Stop, the original patented car seat gap filler. Though it's extremely simple in its construction, the Shark Tank featured Drop Stop has earned more than 5,000 glowing 5-star reviews on Amazon, proving that it's the best gap filler to turn to when you need it to do its job and nothing more. There are no extra features like organizational pockets or slots. The most outstanding feature is its patented design, which comes with a hole that lets it slip over your seatbelt catch, giving it the most guaranteed gap coverage of any model on this list. To install it, the creators advise to put your seat all the way back as flat as it will go. Then, put the device over the seatbelt and push it all the way down until it can't go any further. Finally, pull the loose side tight and keep pushing it down. Voila, that's all it takes. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.